Hello guys, this is Muhammad Asif here. Today I'm going to present you the documentary project of the Palm Jumeirah Dubai. So be there to know more interesting information about Palm Jumeirah Dubai. Middle East Dubai, the jewel of the Arab world. This tiny emirate, twice the size of the London. It is one of the richest cities in the world. It has not always been like this. 70 years ago, Dubai was a trading town. Over more than half a century, it's been transformed now. It's famous for gold, trade, and oil. But there is a problem. Right now, Dubai has not left enough resources of oil. It was a disaster for the economy. Dubai must be found a new source of income by increasing the tourism and giving the tourists a luxurious experience. The Crown Prince's big idea was tourism. 5 million people were visit here annually, but the Crown Prince wanted to increase the amount with trip. Sultan Ahmad bin Sulaim has that idea of this Iceland. He started with a blank piece of paper and he drew a circular island. Then he shaped the Iceland with the palm tree. It was 5.5 kilometers in the sea with the 11.5 kilometers of breakwater that was called sea wall. It has increased the sea line by 530 kilometers. Dubai has made the biggest man-made island in the world. All structures stand in Dubai defiance of nature. Most of built concrete and steel, materials that are artificially strengthened. But this massive island is constructed out of the sea by using only natural material, rock and sand. Every project defines the nature. This was a perfect example. The project manager, Bob Berger, every day they tried to prevent the destruction of the build. Then 9/11 happened. Tourism stopped, but they didn't stop the construction. They continued the construction without any fear. They made the 11.5 kilometer sea wall. It is 5.5 kilometer and 11.5 kilometer of breakwater. Palm Jumeirah is bigger than 800 football pitches. Sultan called top reclamation engineers. Millions of dollars has been spent on engineers. They called the engineers those who had made the Hong Kong airport, Sea Road in Holland, and Singaporean industrial estate. To construct the Palm Jumeirah out of the sea, they equipped heavy machineries, heavy ships, and cranes. To make this island out of the sea, there has been used 5.5 million cubic meter of rock and 94.5 million cubic meter of sand. A 2.5 meter high wall around the world. 94.5 million cubic meter sand was enough to dig the whole mankind 1 meter deep in the sand. 5.5 million cubic meter rock was enough to build 2 Egyptian pyramids. Breakwater that was called sea wall, which was around 11.5 kilometers. Each piece of rock was of tons that they can protect the palm from the sea oceans. Each rope took less than 24 hours to load from the point and to the reach to the construction area. The only sure way to check the walks are stable, place to send the divers to check the every meter of the breakwater. And then they started the process of rainbowing. Dubai has enough sand to make the palm out of the sea, but the desert sand was too pure that they can't use in the palm. To make the palm out of the sea, they collect the sand from the sea that was consistent and was more visible from the desert sand. For this purpose, they used 15 big ships. Each ship has a 8,000 ton tank, and it took less than an hour to fill the whole tank. It was so easy that it took less than 3 hours to fill the tank from the sea and travel to the construction area. Dubai has private access to the Russian satellite in space. They use the satellite to check the construction is on the track or not. And then they suddenly decided to stop the construction. Because the seawater was not circulating around the massive Iceland, the tide was not pushing the water properly. And then, luckily, they found a solution and they made 200-300 meter bridges in the seawall. And after some days, it became absolutely fine. Disasters were coming in a way that an earthquake happened in Iraq, and then multiple earthquakes hit Dubai 480 kilometers across the Arabian Gulf, and it was a wake-up call for the Iceland. Palm must be made strong enough to prevent it from liquefaction. Liquefaction happened when an earthquake happened. To prevent from liquefaction, they did the vibrocompaction. For this purpose, they equipped 15 machines and they did 200,000 holes in all over the Palm Iceland. For vibrocompaction, the process was to drive the each particles of the sand deep down in the earth to make the Iceland become a rock, and it was necessary for the safety. The construction head, Scott, they had a deadline of 2 years that they had to build the whole city in just 2 years, and they completed the whole task in just 2 years. They built the whole city on the Palm Iceland.